Your truck bed is exposed to everything: rain, snow, dirt, and prying eyes. Without proper protection, you're not just risking damage to your cargo, you're also losing fuel efficiency and leaving your valuables vulnerable to theft. The right tonneau cover changes everything. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best truck bed covers you can buy right now. Whether you're on a tight budget or ready to invest in premium protection, there's a perfect option here for your truck. Let's dive in. Number 1. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover. Let's start with the ultimate value champion, the Tyger Auto T3. This cover has earned its reputation as the go-to choice for first-time tonneau buyers, and honestly, it punches way above its price point. The T3 features heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl that's dual-coated for serious weather resistance. We're talking about material that shrugs off rain, snow, and UV rays without cracking or fading. The frame is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, so despite being a soft cover, it's surprisingly rigid and durable. Installation is ridiculously simple. No drilling required whatsoever. You're looking at maybe 10 minutes tops with the clamp and latch system. It literally bolts onto your bed rails and you're done. The crossbars come pre-assembled, which saves you that frustrating setup time other covers demand. Now, here's the thing to consider. Because it's a soft cover, it won't support weight on top like hard folding options do. You can't throw your camping gear or a roof box on it, but for most truck owners who just need reliable weather protection and security, that's not a deal breaker. The T3 comes with a lifetime warranty, and forum users consistently report 3 to 5 years of solid performance. At $230 to $280, you're getting quality that rivals covers twice the price. Check the link in the description for your specific truck model. Number 2. BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. Moving up to premium territory, the BAKFlip MX4 is America's best-selling truck bed cover for a reason. This is the cover serious truck owners choose when they want maximum durability and security. The Gen 3 upgrade brought some impressive improvements. You're getting a 22% increase in overall strength with heavy-duty aluminum panels reinforced with high-density polymer cores. These panels are powder-coated for weather resistance and have been tested in extreme temperatures, from -40 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The panels fold completely back against the cab without blocking your third brake light, giving you full bed access whenever you need it. And because it's aluminum construction, you can actually support distributed weight on top, perfect for longer items or additional cargo. Installation got easier with Gen 3. The new click-in design takes about 30 minutes and back includes clear instructions. You're still doing a no-drill installation that won't damage your bed rails. The potential downside: price. At $1,100 to $1,300, the MX4 is a serious investment, but you're getting a 5-year warranty and a cover that's assembled in Missouri with premium American craftsmanship. Long-term users report a decade or more of reliable performance, which justifies that upfront cost. Number 3. TruXedo TruXport Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. If you want the convenience of quick access without the bulk of a folding cover, the TruXport is your answer. This soft roll-up design offers the perfect balance of protection and practicality. The TruXport uses quality leather-grain vinyl that holds up incredibly well to harsh weather. But what makes this cover special is the Sure Tension control system. It's a spring-loaded mechanism that keeps the cover tight and prevents those annoying edge curls you get with cheaper roll-ups. No manual adjustments needed. It just stays tight. Installation is straightforward, under 30 minutes with the clamp on rails. And here's a huge benefit. You can remove the entire cover in seconds without any tools. If you're hauling something massive and need the cover completely out of the way, just unclamp it and you're done. Users consistently report excellent water resistance and improved fuel efficiency. The Velcro closure system holds firm even at highway speeds, so you don't get that flapping noise some soft covers develop. The consideration here is security. While it keeps casual thieves out, a determined person with a knife could potentially cut through the vinyl. It's more weather protection than Fort Knox security, but for most applications, keeping your gear dry and out of sight, it's more than adequate. At $280 to $350 with a 5-year warranty and USA manufacturing, the TruXport delivers exceptional value in the roll-up category. Number 4. BAKFlip G2 Hard-Folding Tonneau Cover. Think of the G2 as the MX4's more affordable younger sibling. You're getting that same backflip quality and reliability, just without some of the premium features. For many truck owners, this is the sweet spot. The G2 features solid aluminum panel construction with a gloss finish that looks sharp on any truck. You get that automatic latching system that BAKFlip is known for, providing better security than any soft cover on the market. The panels fold completely back for full bed access, and you can operate it from either side of your truck. Weather seals are premium OE quality rubber that creates an effective barrier against rain and snow. The prop rods secure the cover upright when open, so you can haul taller cargo without removing the entire unit. Installation is similar to the MX4, about 30 to 45 minutes with the clamp-on system. No drilling, no permanent modifications to your bed rails. The quick release cables make operation smooth and easy. The real advantage is price. At $900 to $1,100, you're saving $200 to $400 compared to the MX4 while still getting a genuine BAKFlip hard-folding cover. That's a significant savings for what's essentially 90% of the same product. The trade-off is that maximum load capacity. The MX4 can handle more weight distributed on top, but if you're not regularly loading heavy items on your cover, the G2 gives you premium protection at a mid-range price point. Number 5. Gator EFX Hard Tri-Fold Tonneau Cover. Rounding out our list is the Gator EFX, which brings something different to the table, a flush mount design that sits lower than traditional trifolds. If you want that ultra-clean, integrated look, this is your cover. Weight capacity is impressive, 300 pounds, when evenly distributed. That's serious load-bearing capacity that puts it on par with premium retractable covers. The high-quality EPDM rubber seals create a tight barrier, and integrated drain tubes channel water safely away from your bed. Installation takes less than 30 minutes with a no-drill clamp system. The panels are lightweight but sturdy, and you can operate the cover from either side. When you need access to 2/3 of your bed, it folds up easily. Need complete access? 4 quick release knobs let you remove the entire cover in seconds. The consideration with the EFX is the flush mount design itself. If your truck bed has a spray-in bed liner or certain aftermarket accessories, you'll want to verify fitment carefully. Some bed configurations don't play well with flush mount covers. Check those specifications before ordering. At $600 to $750, the EFX occupies that middle ground between soft covers and premium hard folders. You're getting made in USA quality with a 3-year warranty and a distinctive look that sets your truck apart. Remember, all product links are waiting in the description box below with current pricing and compatibility checkers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.